Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we are trying out a millet recipe again. This time it's a ragi paniyaram, which is easy to make for breakfast. And since it's vacation time and the kids are going to be around, you can prepare different types of millet breakfast to make it interesting for them. The ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. And I've got lots of such videos on my channel. I've got the playlist on my channel. So please do subscribe and like and share my videos and leave a comment below. So let's move on to the recipe. So I've got the ingredients ready. In a bowl I've taken equal amounts of Rava or Sooji and Ragi flour. Into this we're going to add some vegetables, that's onion, green chilli and ginger, which I've finely chopped, some curry leaves, grated carrot and some coriander leaves, and also some curd, which is at room temperature. So let's prepare the batter first. So into the semolina or rava and ragi flour mixture, I'm adding salt to taste. Then we are going to add in the room temperature curd to this mixture. Now we'll mix everything together so that the flour and the curd mixes well. So it's nicely mixed. Now we'll add half a cup of normal water. I've just taken it in the same container as I used for the curd. So normal room temperature water, and then mix everything together, making it into a lump-free batter. So mixing it nice and well so that all the lumps are tackled and the batter becomes smooth. Now it's time to add the vegetables or the onion mixture in. So I'm adding finely chopped green chilies and ginger to this. Then I'm adding coriander leaves. We'll also add in the carrot. All these are additional things that you can add. You can choose any vegetable of your choice to add to this. Now we'll mix everything together. And then we'll adjust the consistency of the batter by adding more water if necessary. So I'm just mixing and it looks like a little too thick for me. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup more of water to this later on. Before that, I'm just tempering some mustard, urad dal, asafoetida and curry leaves and keeping it ready. Now I've added the 1/4 cup of water to make the batter of the right consistency. And then now I'll add in the baking soda. Now add the baking soda only when you are ready to prepare the paniyarams. Right when you're going to prepare the paniyarams, add in the baking soda as well as the tempering. So I've got the tempering here. I'm going to pour it into this. Mix everything together. And our batter is ready to be prepared. So I've put the paniyaram pan on medium-low flame. I've added some coconut oil into it and the oil is nice and hot. Now let's pour the batter into the cavity. So with the quantity of batter that we have prepared, you can make 15 to 20 paniyarams. So now we'll let this cook until it's nice and brown from the bottom, and then we'll flip it and cook it once again from the other side as well. So you can see it's cooked from the bottom, so let's flip it to the other side. Make sure there's a little coconut oil left in the pan so that it cooks from the other side as well. So we'll flip one by one and cook it from the other side, and the paniyaram should be ready. So as I told you earlier, I've got lots of such recipes on my channel, so do subscribe to watch these. So do try this at home with some coconut chutney or any chutney of your choice and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.